What's up? This is Austin from Support. In today's quick training video, I want to show you how to access candlestick charting. So I know that there are some of you that love to see more advanced charts, and if you want to enable it, it is very simple. You go into your settings right here under your drop down, and you click on settings, and under here you'll see an enable candlesticks feature or button. So this feature right here is at the moment only allowed for the premium plans and pro plans. So once you click on that and click update, you will now be able to see candlesticks. So if I go back to the analyzer page and I refresh the page, I can now see the candlestick chart showing, which gives me a more comprehensive, in-depth understanding of what the stock is doing, because it shows me the high, the low, the close, if the candle is a doji, which shows indicative, which is indicative of the stock reversing, and so many other amazing features when I get access to candlesticks. Now, for those who don't have access, you can easily go into your settings under your subscription and upgrade, but the reason why it is more is because the data provider charges more, like 5 times more for candlesticks than it does for lines. So it's only limited to the premium and pro plans. All right, guys, that is how you access candlesticks. I hope you enjoy.